Hello friends, today I am here by taking the concept of class 9th frequency table distribution. Firstly, before doing this concept, I want to tell what is the meaning of this. Frequency. Frequency means how many times number occur. Table, distribution means that about that it is given to you, means marks are given, scores are given, means anything. But now, firstly, before this, I am telling what is class size. Class size means upper minus lower limit. Now you are thinking what is upper, what is lower. I have taken for one interval 10 to 20. 10 means lower limit of this interval, 20 is upper limit. Whenever you will minus subtract these means, then you will get what is the difference, gap. Gap is known as class size. Clear? I hope you are getting. Class size means gap of that interval, upper minus lower. Class mark. Class mark means lower plus upper divided by 2. If we will find of this interval 10 plus 20 upon 2, 30 upon 2 means 15. It means class mark is the mid value of the given interval. Class mark is the mid value of the given interval. Now prepare the frequency table for the given data. Yes, how many numbers are here? See which number is occurring. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Except these, I think no one is here. So I have written the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 how many times occur? See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have written 5 in frequency. Frequency means how many times it occur. Then after that I am making the telemarks. Whenever numbers are up to 4, no problem. For 5 you will cut it. And for 6 you will take it separately. Then in this manner I am preparing 2 for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I hope you will get, and this total must be same, and you can verify ki how many numbers are here. 20 will be there, so that's why you are getting 20. I hope you are getting. Next is class marks are given. Class marks means midpoints are given 47, 52, 57 like this. How will you find the class size? Class size, Rajay, you know ki upper minus lower limit, but here you have given the class marks. So how will you do? Firstly, you will take the difference between class marks of two consecutive, means adjacent classes. What is the gap between adjacent 52 and 57? Just like we can say neighborhood. These are in neighbor. So what is the difference between them? 5. This is known as class size. I hope you are getting. Class mark. Class mark means what is here? 5. Difference is 5. Then divide by 2. What is here? 2.5. This is a class mark, midpoint of class size. Next is class limits. How will you find class limits? If you have given the interval, you can find the class mark. But this concept is new. How will you find class limits when interval is not given? Class mark is given. Firstly, you will take the gap, I told class size, then divide it by 2. What are you getting? 2.5. That difference you will firstly subtract from that number. What are you getting? Then you will add with that number. Means that number you will do with only one number. Firstly subtract, then you will add with the same number. In this manner you will get your interval. Whenever you will add them, then you will get what? Suppose I am adding. Yes, I hope you are getting. Sum of these will be 94. Whenever you have to find class mark, you have to divide it by 2. Then you are getting 47, and you have also 47. I hope you are getting. Firstly, you will take the gap between them, then divide by 2, which you will get. Firstly, you will subtract from that number, then you will add with that number. Then you will get your interval. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. Similarly for others, no need to do. First number you will repeat, then what is that gap between them? 5. You will add with it 5. Then next with the you can 5 add 54.5 to 59.5. I hope you are getting. This is the way to find the interval when class marks are given. Next question is, when value of pi up to 50 decimal places are given. Pi, you know what is pi? Pi is irrational number. We will introduce. Yes, this is given to you, and it is given, make a frequency distribution from 0 to 9 after decimal point, means after decimal you will see. So firstly we will write the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, now we are saying firstly we are writing the digits, means up to which digits are coming, you know, from 0 to 9. So I have written 0 to 9. Then how many times 0 came, you will see 1 and 2. Two digits are, then in this manner you will see, only I am saying after decimal, you will not count 3 before decimal. So frequency you will write how many times it occurs, you will get the same total. Now question is, what is the most and least frequency? What is the most which is occurring many times? 3 and 9 both are occurring most, so 3 and 9 is most frequency. Least frequency is your 0 because its frequency is only 2. Next I am clearing the difference between bar graph and histogram. Bar graph means there is gap between the bars. Bars means rectangular shapes that we draw in this manner. When there is a gap, this is known as a bar graph. In histogram there is no gap, they are in consecutive form. There is no gap between the rectangular bars. Now we will do one question. Firstly I am telling about histogram. Suppose 10 to 20, 20 to 30 interval is given, frequency is also given. How to make? Firstly I have written intervals, then we will see how you will take here. You will see on which table they are going. Maximum numbers you will see they are going on 2, so I have taken the gap of 2. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. You will see 10 to 12, 20 is 16. In this manner you will prepare, and there is no difference because numbers is in consecutive manner, 40, 40, 50, 50. So that's why this is your histogram. Now we are preparing the bar graph. Whenever you have given this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and frequency is given, on which table it is going, mostly all are going on table 2, so I will write with the 2's table up to F4. You can write 4 is also coming there, so I have taken and made the bars. And one thing more, distance must be same here also, here also. Then you will draw 31.8 means slightly less than 32. 25.4, you know what is the difference? 4's difference here, in mid 26 will be there, so slightly less, 25.4. Next is 12.4, only slightly up from 12. In this manner you will prepare. This is your bar graph. I hope you are getting.